Hey everyone, Graham Stefan here. Let's talk cars. Specifically, let's talk about why you might want that shiny new car smell. I'm a big believer in saving money, and buying a used car, even a beta, can be a huge win for your wallet. Think of it this way. A new car loses value the second it leaves the lot. A used car, it's already taken that depreciation hit, which means you're saving money right off the bat. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Graham, I want a car. And hey, I get it, but trust me, the feeling of watching your bank account grow while your friends are stuck with car payments, that's a whole different kind of satisfaction. So buckle up and get ready to learn how ditching the new car dream can put you on the fast track to financial freedom. Let's dive in. We'll explore the benefits of buying used, from lower insurance costs to avoiding that initial depreciation hit. Plus, I'll share some tips on how to find a reliable beta that won't break the bank. So stay tuned and let's get started on this journey to smarter car ownership and financial freedom. Okay, let's talk numbers. New cars are expensive, and the worst part, that shiny new car smell fades fast, but the loan payments, those stick around. When you buy used, you're essentially sidestepping that initial depreciation hit I mentioned earlier. Let's say you're looking at a brand new car for $30,000. Now, let's say you find a similar used car a few years older for $15,000. That's half the price. Right there, you've saved yourself $15,000. By choosing a used car, you're choosing to be smart with your money and prioritize value over flash. And trust me, your wallet will thank you for it. We've talked about the upfront savings of buying used, but the benefits go way beyond that. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, debt. When you finance a new car, you're signing up for years of monthly payments, and those payments come with interest. Now, I'm not saying you should necessarily pay for a used car entirely in cash, although that's always a great option if you can swing it. But because used cars are generally less expensive, you'll likely need a smaller loan, which means lower monthly payments and less interest paid over the life of the loan. And don't even get me started on insurance. Insurance companies love to charge an arm and a leg to insure new cars. With a used car, you're looking at lower insurance premiums, which means even more money saved each month. Sounds like a pretty good deal to me. Section 4, finding your diamond in the rough tips for buying used. Okay, so you're convinced that buying used is the way to go. It's a smart choice, especially if you're looking to save money and still get a reliable vehicle. Awesome. But how do you actually find a good used car? The process can seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, it can be quite manageable. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, don't be afraid to shop around. Explore different options and compare prices. Check out online marketplaces, used car dealerships, and even local classifieds. Each platform has its own set of advantages and potential deals. Get a vehicle history report like Carfax or AutoCheck to see if the car has been in any accidents or had major repairs. This can save you from future headaches. It's also a good idea to have a trusted mechanic inspect the car before you buy it. A professional can spot issues you might miss. Don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you know, the better decision you can make. Talk to the seller, ask about the car's history, and take it for a thorough test drive. This is your chance to get a feel for the car. Pay attention to how the car feels, listen for any strange noises, and don't be afraid to walk away if something doesn't feel right. Trust your instincts. By choosing a car that aligns with your lifestyle and budget, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial success. Happy car hunting. Section 5, keeping your beta humming. Maintenance matters. Congratulations, you found the perfect used car and you're ready to hit the road. Owning a used car can be a rewarding experience, but it also comes with its own set of responsibilities. But wait, before you do, let's talk about maintenance. Regular upkeep is essential to keep your car running smoothly and to avoid unexpected breakdowns. One of the keys to making a used car last is staying on top of regular maintenance. This includes routine checks and timely servicing. Think of it like going to the doctor for checkups. It's always better to catch small problems early before they turn into big, expensive headaches. Regular inspections can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Learn how to check your oil level, tire pressure, and fluids. These simple tasks can be done at home and can prevent major issues. When it comes to repairs, don't be afraid to shop around for quotes from different mechanics. Getting multiple opinions can help you find the best deal and ensure quality work. And if you're feeling handy, there are tons of online resources like YouTube tutorials that can teach you how to do basic repairs yourself. This can save you money and give you a sense of accomplishment. By taking care of your car, you're protecting your investment and ensuring that it continues to serve you well for years to come. Happy driving. Remember, a well-maintained car is a happy car.